Man, what it do, GDG? Goddamn gang, man. Y'all know who I am. It's your boy Sam, no lie, nigga. I'm that kind of nigga on back with another video, man. Listen, I know y'all read the title, man. I gotta make this thing quick, fast, in a hurry. So listen, me and Tyjae about to go get something to eat. You feel me? About to go pick up some Chick-fil-A later. Buzz with the Chick-fil-A sauce on the sandwich. Oh my fucking god. And with the fries, y'all niggas just don't know. Y'all niggas just don't know. But we about to go pick up some food in a second, man. You feel me? And it is raining like hell. Well, it was raining like hell, but it's still raining right now. Man, while we on the way, bro, I'm gonna let the window down. Listen, it's a prank on me and a prank on him, bro. Cause I'm about to get the inside of my car wet. So I'm about to take that risk, but it is what it is, you feel me? I do this for y'all now. I do this for y'all. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell if y'all know so I get notified when I drop these bangers. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at GOTDAMNSAM1. Everything I need to know will be down below in the description. I ain't even gonna touch y'all head off, man. Let's go and get into this thing, man. Let's get it. So listen, I'm about to blow the hell out of Tyjae when he gets in this car, cause this bit about to be funny. Go ahead and leave y'all favorite part. Go and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. We going crazy all 2023, man. I'm trying to tell y'all we going crazy all 2023. Oh God. Even though it rain, I still let the sun roll back. Hell, it's time out. This the big marrow motherfucker. The only candy.
Oh, damn.
What?
I done wet my damn saw. I just stepped in the damn puddle.
That shit be
killing, man,
boy.
cause why it's raining so hard? I ain't know it was supposed to be raining today.
That shit be killing, boy.
Damn, what you got in here? What this is?
I don't know what you touching. What you
What
touching?
is this? You need this?
Shorts, yeah, nigga. What you better wipe yourself off my shorts, nigga?
Man, my whole sock wet. Yeah,
Man, get yourself right. Goddamn.
It's straight clean.
Damn.
We're in cat and dog out there, man.
Yeah, man, I can't even see my damn hoodie, man.
I'm trying to tell you straight.
I'm good though. You good?
Yeah, nigga, get it down.
I gotta ease on it. That bit.
That's salad on ride from Chick-fil-A.
Salad ain't even good for you though.
What? How salad ain't good for you, Sam?
It ain't.
How it ain't good for you?
How is it good for you?
What you mean? It's healthy. You wanna know that cause you eat burgers and chicken tenders every time you go out.
Man, somebody gotta hold that shit down right now. But yeah, I eat burgers and chicken. Burgers and what? Burgers
chicken
and
tenders.
Burgers and fries.
Chicken tender. You know what I said? Chicken tender? What is it?
Burgers and fries.
Hold on real quick. Hello? I want a large fry. Order me a large fry with Polynesian sauce, baby. Alright. Get Tyreon too. Alright. Tyjae ain't gonna eat all these fries, so that's like me having 2 large fries.
I'm trying to get one too.
You know what I'm saying? Got the way. It's on the right way. Big ass truck going on. What's going on? Look, I'm telling you, it hella traffic going on out this bit too.
Look at Trey ass.
Where you at?
The cat.
That cat. He already know what it is.
Yeah, he already know what it is.
He already know what's going on.
God damn.
Boy, I'm sitting there trying to look at that bitch. Hold on, Sam. Goddamn.
That's fine.
Goddamn, what you mean? Roll the damn window out.
Hold on, man.
Roll the window out.
It's stinking here.
Man, damn, nigga, you got me wet as a motherfucker.
Damn, nigga.
Wait.
You need a diaper on, nigga. You stink.
Man, I ain't stink, saying I just happened at the shop about an hour ago. What you talking about?
Black eye? You done took my black eye? Oh.
What you mean your black eye sitting right here?
Oh, I don't smell it no more.
What you, I'm saying though, damn, nigga, you done what?
You know you just get like a whiff.
Alright, you damn calling me water damage.
Water damage.
Why, if you smell something funny, you roll down your window. Why you roll down my window?
My car is waterproof. Why you think it ain't?
Big on ocean. Take it in the ocean. Let's see this big can float.
It's not a boat. I said waterproof.
So what you talking about waterproof?
What you mean? It's raining right now. My car's still working, right?
That's in it. Then every automobile. What you talking about?
So how I'm gonna get water damage?
I'm saying though, if you smell something stink, why would you roll down my window? Don't wet me up. I just now stepped in a puddle of water. My whole left sock wet.
So your sock's clean?
My sock wet. What you talking about?
Anyway, like I said,
I'm saying though, if you order it, your head probably farted. That's what it was. You're passing gas trying to blame it on me. You feel me? I didn't do that. If you smell something, you roll down your window. Don't roll down my window. I'm talking about nigga true.
Hey, I got some trash in the back. Throw that trash out.
Man, stand roll out the goddamn window.
Throw that trash out. Throw that trash out.
Roll out the window.
Hey, throw the trash out. I got trash right here.
Man, stop.
Hold on, man. Clean my car
Stop playing with the window.
Clean my car out. Wait.
Son, I'm gonna hit your little ass so goddamn hard, boy. Your ass ain't gonna be able to see no more.
What you go? Look.
Stop rolling down the window. What you doing?
I got trash back here. Throw the trash out.
It ain't no trash back there. It ain't no trash. Okay. Tell you what. Roll down the window. Roll down the window again. Roll down the window again.
Hold on, man.
Roll it down.
What you going?
Roll it down. You want that bitch to go out? You want that bitch to go out?
You throw my designer bag out the window. That's your ass.
You want that bitch to go out?
You going out with it? Just
roll it down again.
Hey, listen. All right. Throw my bag out there. I'm gonna toss your ass real with it. Tell them I'm trying to tell you.
You sitting rolling down the window at me like it ain't raining damn cats and dogs out this motherfucker. It's raining hard.
It is raining hard though.
Yeah.
Damn it. It is some type of smell in this motherfucker.
You need to figure out what it is though, son. Saying you be having all type of food in there.
I do be having all type of food.
Why you blaming it on me? I don't stink.
Then you got this bitch smell like a sack of onions. Nigga, you talking about?
I don't smell like onions, man. I don't smell like the onions.
I ain't gonna front. I like how you rocking that. I ain't know that with the hair sticking out. That bit hard now.
I know it hard. I been hard.
Hold on. Turn around to the front real quick. Just turn around to the front real quick. Just real quick.
Like what? Like
real quick.
Like did how Tyjae.
Hold on. Stick your head out. Hold on, bitch.
What I told you?
Boy, put my fucking bag wet, Tyjae. You get my fucking bag wet, nigga.
Man, what you rolling down the window, fucker? I throw that bitch out the window and leave it there. You want me to open the door? Huh?
Boy, Tyjae, you ain't that damn stupid, boy. Go down door alone. Hold on, man. It's stuff in there, nigga. That's my equipment bag.
Man, I got stuff on you. Wear me up.
What you talking about? What you mean? Man, that'll soak that up. That equipment can't soak that up. That equipment ain't waterproof like this.
This cotton, Sam. This is a rain jacket.
It is a rain jacket. I was prepared.
I'm wet. It's gonna take this bit here a minute to dry.
I know it is.
So what you wear me out for?
That ain't your fault. What you talking about, nigga?
Thank you.
Hey, nigga. What you sneezing for, nigga? Sneeze out the window, nigga.
Man.
Sneeze all over my goddamn car.
Man, you about to blow me.
I'm about to blow you.
Man, you about to blow me, Sam.
I'm just saying though, before you sneeze.
Oh, my phone.
What? Your phone out the door?
Boy, you better hope that bit work, boy. That bit probably wet down here.
What number that is?
It probably wet.
These, what you trying to hit me for? These waterproof for real though, like real shit. These waterproof.
Man, let that damn seat up.
You let the seat up, nigga. I ain't got control over the seat, nigga.
Man, you
they don't want under the seat?
Oh, I got them up.
I'm saying, well, since you don't want to, you feel me? Since you don't want the thing down, the windows can't come down, the doors can't come open. I got
it's hot in here, god damn.
You need some help?
Turn it down. You got it down here.
That's how you had to say you need some help?
Man, Sam, hold on. What you doing?
What you talking about?
Sam, all right, that your stuff gonna be malfunctioning. That your interior gonna be messed up. Go ahead, roll it back.
Nah, man, what you doing, nigga? What you doing? I ain't let it all the way open.
Drive the car.
Damn, nigga, you punching my fist?
God damn,
what you punch my fist for, nigga? I ain't let it all the way back, nigga.
Nigga, that shit hurt.
You cool there.
Your mama.
She a coon?
Now what? Your daddy.
Okay, I still
that nigga, they know he's a coon. Bald head ass.
Nah, nigga, I'm messing with you though, girl.
Oh, I ain't dreaming. Your dick gonna be tore up.
Hey, that ain't.
Yo, that is 350. Oh, that ain't no 350.
Oh, you getting amped up for no reason. I need to open up a damn
roll down the window.
Watch out.
Roll down the window.
Man, watch out.
Roll down the window.
I got a windbreaker. I'm good.
I'm out.
Mama sure said I could drop my shit off in here.
What about a water?
Oh, man, what you always reach for the water cup? Why you always reach for water cup?
You don't keep no damn water in here?
No, nigga.
Damn, you don't be thirsty when you drive?
Damn, now y'all got on my ass about napkins. I got some goddamn napkins. Now y'all got my ass about water? Damn. What else I need in this bitch? A pantry?
Bet might need a little bit of everything.
Damn.
I'm trying to tell you, God. I'm trying.
I'm messing with you, girl. You feel me? Little pranky prank, girl.
But now when we get to how you dry my damn jacket, I tell you that little prank.
Just throw it. I gotta wash clothes anyway. Just throw it in there on.
Nah, I got it. Alright.
Just make it like don't so hard, girl.
That bit ain't got no flavor.
I can see.
Alright,
GDG, man. As y'all can see, man, your boy made it back to the house, man. He is in the house feeding his son now, so that's why he's not right here. But, man, I hope y'all left your favorite part. Leave a like, Leave a comment. Goddamn. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Listen, I've been trying to go crazy, man. We going crazy all 2023. I'm about to say 2022. All 2023, man. We just going beyond crazy, man. Listen, I'll tell y'all. I already missed 2 days this month. But I set myself, you feel me, no more than 5 days a month. I can't miss no more than 5 days a month. So now, from now on out, nigga, we own it. From this point on, nigga, we is on it. We is on it. Man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys and girls in the next video. Man, I'm out. Okay?